Hiya 3, welcome to Thursday, writing volume in millilitres and litres. Okay, so today we're finding out how many more millilitres do we need to get to 1 litre, okay, by looking at the measurements in the jug. So just to remind you, how many millilitres make 1 litre? Okay, so if we had 10 100s, that will make 1,000 millilitres, and 1,000 millilitres make 1 litre. Okay, so count with me. 100 plus 100 is 200. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. So 1,000 millilitres make up 1 litre. Okay, so let's see if there are any other ways we could make 1 litre. So that would be 10 100s. Okay, another calculation we could do, okay, is 500 millilitres, add 500 millilitres, make 1 litre, which is 1,000 millilitres. So just remember 1,000 millilitres and 1 litre is the same thing. Okay, so this question here, we've got our part-whole model. How much more water is needed to make 1 litre? Okay, so we know we can't go any further than 1 litre, so that's our top number. We're on 350, so we can do 1,000, take away 350 is 650. Okay, we could also show that on a number line. Okay, I might get a black number line this time. Okay, so we'll have 1,000. Change the font as well. We'll have 1,000, and then we can take away 300. What's 1,000 take away 300? Let's count with our fingers. 900, 800, 700. And then we're going to take away another 50. Smaller gap this time. And 700 take away 50 is going to be 650. Okay, so put 300 up here and then 50 here so we can really clearly see that. Okay, so we could then write our sentence saying another 650 millilitres of water is needed. Okay? So, guided practice. We need to find, so I've got a range of questions here. First question, find the total volume. Oh, so if we have a look at this one here, the water isn't all the way to the top like the other ones have been, okay? So again, it's going up in 50s. So it'll be 450 plus 200, which would be 650 millilitres. Okay, so I'll write 650 here. Okay. How much more water is needed to make 900 millilitres? It's a bit like the question we had earlier. How much more water is needed to make 900 millilitres? So we've got to do 900 take away 650, okay? Or we can start on 650 and work out how many more we need to get to 900. That'll probably be easier because 650 and 900 are quite close to each other. Okay, so 650, we can add 50, and then, so that's going to get us to 700. And then how many more till we get to 900 is going to be 200 more. So, if it lets me do it. Okay, so, sorry about my dog there. It'll be 900. Okay, so we'll put 250 in here. There. And then 50 here. 50 at 200. Oh, sorry, Mrs. Boy got it wrong. 200 there. So that'll be 250 millilitres. Okay, so we could write that in there like that. And the last question, how much water remains after 225 ml is used? Okay, so we have work out how much water we've got in this beaker here. So we've got 450 starting off with. Okay, how much water remains? Oh, so they've used 225 millilitres. Okay, so again, we can get our number line, or you can use column if you prefer. Oh, we're going to have 450. If we take partition that 225 into 220 into 200, so 400 take away 200, 450, sorry, take away 200 is going to be 250. And then if we take away another 25, if we have 50 take away 25, we get 25, so it'll be 225. Okay, so there will be 225 ml remaining. And we know that because there's 450 altogether. And then how much water remains after 225 millilitres is used. Okay, I'm going to put my 25 here, so we know that's 225 we've taken away. Awesome. So, activities. Please click on the link below to answer the questions for today's lesson. Don't forget, tomorrow is the quiz. If you haven't done last week's one, you'll find it under the maths section in week 3. I need you to do both quizzes, please. Okay, so I really need to see what you can do, because then when we go back to school, I know what I can help you with and what you found easy. Okay, the quiz this week will be all about the questions you've done this week, so I can see what you know and what you're finding tricky. Okay, that's why it's really important for you to do it as independently as possible. Okay, let me know how you get on. If you have any problems, please let me know. Bye.